Hey everybody, Matt at the all-new Blackjack Harley-Davidson, and today we bring you mechanical carnage. We had a customer come in for a transmission issue, and for whatever reason, it seems like these things go in bunches. Harley makes a terrific product, but every once in a while something goes away other than we would anticipate, and this is one of those days. So we pulled his drain plug and went to inspect his oil, and that fuzzy mess of junk on the end of it is what we found when we did that, which of course told us that there's something absolutely happening. We come around to this side and we pulled the side cover off the transmission. You can see there's a bunch of garbage down in the bottom, some sludge, and then some big chunks of stuff. Some of those chunks are broken off of here, and his throw-up bearing looked awful, but that's not even the prize. The prize is this should have a race on it, and it should be ball bearings all the way around. And I don't know if you can see in there, but that isn't smooth and shiny. That's all banged and hammered up, and those ball bearings are missing. They've gone somewhere, and we're guessing that they're inside the inside of that transmission. So this thing's all coming apart. We're going to take a good look. We're going to get it figured out. We're going to get our guy back on the road and keep him riding safe, and that's what we're all about. So as you guys need us, as we can be helpful, come on down. We hate to say it, but we see things like this and crazier all the time, and we're your guys to help get stuff like that fixed. Come and see us. Service Department, the all-new Blackjack Harley-Davidson, Florence, South Carolina.